You clicked on this video because you're wondering how to install one of these on one of your bumpers. I'm about to show you. So a quick and simple explanation of how these work before we go into anything else. This pin is gonna be put onto your vehicle and you're gonna fasten it down with this nut and washer. Then when the bumper gets attached, this is gonna be sticking up and out through a hole. That's where this comes in and pushes in and locks. Then you push the button and it releases. See, the problematic issue is that when you have your bumper, it has these plastic clips on the sides that always break. And either your plastic bumper breaks or the actual clip in the back breaks. So that's why you would be putting this onto a bumper. Sometimes you'll see them installed for the hood as hood pins just to get out of the way of a hood latch or something like that. But today we're gonna be doing one on each side of the bumper. Let's get started. So in my car, I just removed the 2 bolts out of this side. I'm gonna actually remove this clip so we can install our pin. Sometimes you'll have an access hole here that you can put your pin through. I don't in an ideal place. You can see that one, but I'm gonna have mine kind of sticking out right around here where that little dimple is. So I'm gonna use my step bit and drill right on through. Thread on your nut and washer onto your rod. We're gonna put the nut and washer that I have in my hand on the back side and we'll be done. And there you have it, it's installed. I happen to put some classic Meguiar's cleaner wax on the end of our rod so that when we push our bumper back up against it, it'll show us where we need to make our hole for our latch. As you can see, it left a mark on the inside of the bumper. I'm now gonna drill that out. If you're using this as a tutorial video, I highly recommend using a step bit. Mine steps all the way up to 3/4 of an inch. That is the perfect size for our inner diameter of our hole. It's literally gonna fit right inside. And there we have it, we're all done. We have our outer and our inner. I'm gonna show you what it's like to mount this up. I had to make some slight adjustments. This was sticking way too far out, so it's more in line with the body of the vehicle. I'm now going to fit this up. That right there is a quick tutorial of how you install quick release push pins on your bumper. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.